Hey everyone! Tired of get-rich-quick schemes? This video is for you! We'll explore search affiliate marketing, a method for beginners to make real money online. Let's dive in! What is search affiliate marketing? Imagine earning commissions by promoting products people already search for online. That's search affiliate marketing. You don't need a team or software. Just find the right products and strategically place your affiliate links. Why is it easy? No need for a team or complex software. It focuses on products people are already looking for, and there's potential for passive income, earning while you sleep. Key to success: finding the right products. Use platforms like PartnerStack to find affiliate programs. Avoid promoting unknown products with low search volume. Use Google Trends to see a product's search popularity over time. Let's dive into how you can promote Fiverr with a website. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial for any business or service. Fiverr, being a popular platform for freelancers, offers a plethora of opportunities for individuals to earn money by offering their skills and services. However, to maximize your earnings and reach a broader audience, promoting Fiverr through a dedicated website can be incredibly effective. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to create a successful website that promotes Fiverr and helps you generate more traffic and conversions. First, build an information site focused on your niche. Choosing the right niche is essential because it allows you to target a specific audience that is more likely to be interested in the services offered on Fiverr. For instance, if you are passionate about graphic design, you can create a website that provides valuable information, tips, and tutorials related to graphic design. This way, you can attract visitors who are interested in this field and are more likely to hire freelancers from Fiverr for their projects. Publish high-quality content that includes strategically placed affiliate links. Content is king when it comes to attracting and retaining visitors to your website. Ensure that the content you publish is informative, engaging, and provides real value to your audience. You can write blog posts, create video tutorials, or even offer free resources like templates and guides. Within this content, you can seamlessly integrate affiliate links to Fiverr. For example, if you are writing a blog post about the best tools for graphic designers, you can include affiliate links to Fiverr services that offer custom logo design, illustration, or other related services. This not only provides your audience with useful information but also encourages them to click on your affiliate links and hire freelancers from Fiverr. And don't forget to target keywords with high search volume such as Fiverr to drive more traffic to your site. Keyword research is a critical aspect of search engine optimization, SEO. By identifying and targeting keywords that have a high search volume and are relevant to your niche, you can improve your website's visibility on search engines like Google. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find the best keywords to target. For example, if your niche is graphic design, you might target keywords like best graphic design services, hire a graphic designer, or Fiverr graphic design. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your content, meta descriptions, and headings to increase your chances of ranking higher in search results. Additionally, consider creating content around long-tail keywords, which are more specific phrases that potential clients might use when searching for services on Fiverr. Long-tail keywords often have less competition and can help you attract more targeted traffic to your site. Once your website is up and running, it's important to monitor its performance regularly. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website's traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. This data will help you understand which content is performing well and which areas need improvement. For instance, if you notice that certain blog posts are driving a lot of traffic but not generating many conversions, you might need to optimize your affiliate links or call to action buttons. On the other hand, if some pages have a high bounce rate, it could indicate that the content is not engaging enough, or that the page load time is too slow. By analyzing this data, you can make informed decisions to enhance your website's performance and increase your earnings from Fiverr affiliate marketing. Promoting your website on social media is another effective way to drive traffic and increase your reach. Share your content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to attract more visitors to your site. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, participating in discussions, and sharing valuable insights related to your niche. You can also join relevant groups and communities where your target audience is active and share your content there. Additionally, consider running paid advertising campaigns on social media to reach a larger audience and drive more traffic to your website. By leveraging the power of social media, you can build a strong online presence and attract more potential clients to Fiverr through your affiliate links. Building an email list is another powerful strategy to promote Fiverr with your website. Offer a free resource such as an ebook, checklist, or template in exchange for visitors' email addresses. Once you have a list of subscribers, you can send out regular newsletters with valuable content, updates, and promotions. Include your Fiverr affiliate links in these newsletters to encourage your subscribers to hire freelancers from Fiverr. Email marketing allows you to build a relationship with your audience and keep them engaged with your content. It also provides an opportunity to promote Fiverr services directly to a targeted audience who has already shown interest in your niche. Collaborating with influencers or other content creators in your niche can also help you promote Fiverr effectively. Reach out to influencers who have a large following and are respected in your industry. You can collaborate on content such as guest blog posts, joint webinars, or social media takeovers. By partnering with influencers, you can tap into their audience and drive more traffic to your website. Additionally, influencers can provide valuable endorsements for Fiverr services, which can increase your credibility and encourage more people to click on your affiliate links. Hosting webinars or online workshops is another great way to promote Fiverr with your website. Choose a topic that is relevant to your niche and provides value to your audience. During the webinar, you can showcase Fiverr services that can help your audience achieve their goals. For example, if your niche is digital marketing, you can host a webinar on how to create effective marketing campaigns and highlight Fiverr services like copywriting, graphic design, and social media management. At the end of the webinar, include a call to action encouraging attendees to visit your website and check out the recommended Fiverr services. Webinars and workshops allow you to engage with your audience in real time and provide an opportunity to promote Fiverr in a more interactive and personal way. Ensuring that your website is mobile-friendly is crucial for reaching a wider audience. With the increasing use of smartphones and tablets, many people access websites on their mobile devices. Make sure your website is responsive and provides a seamless user experience on all devices. This includes optimizing your site's layout, navigation, and load times for mobile users. A mobile-friendly website not only improves user experience, but also helps with your search engine rankings, as search engines like Google prioritize mobile-friendly sites in their search results. Regularly updating your website with fresh content is essential for maintaining and growing your audience. Search engines favor websites that consistently publish new and relevant content. Set a content schedule and stick to it, whether it's weekly blog posts, monthly newsletters, or quarterly ebooks. By providing your audience with regular updates, you keep them engaged and encourage repeat visits to your site. Additionally, updating your content allows you to incorporate new keywords and trends, which can help improve your search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your website. Networking with other professionals in your industry can also help you promote Fiverr with your website. Attend conferences, trade shows, and industry events to connect with potential clients, partners, and influencers. Share your website and the valuable content you offer, and don't forget to mention your Fiverr affiliate links. Networking allows you to build relationships and expand your reach, which can lead to more traffic and conversions for your website. Finally, celebrate your milestones and achievements along the way. Building a successful website and promoting Fiverr takes time and effort, so it's important to acknowledge your progress and stay motivated. Whether it's reaching a certain number of visitors, achieving a high conversion rate, or earning a specific amount of affiliate income, take the time to celebrate your successes. This will keep you motivated and focused on your goals, and it will also show your audience that you are dedicated and passionate about what you do. To recap, promoting Fiverr with a website involves several key steps: choosing a niche, creating high-quality content with affiliate links, targeting relevant keywords, monitoring your website's performance, leveraging social media, building an email list, collaborating with influencers, hosting webinars, optimizing for mobile, updating content regularly, networking, and celebrating your achievements. By following these steps, you can create a successful website that promotes Fiverr and helps you generate more traffic and conversions. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Fiverr promotion journey. Here's a bonus tip: leverage AI for content creation. Explore AI tools that allow you to create engaging YouTube videos without needing to be on camera. Make sure to target high search keywords on YouTube to attract viewers and potential customers. Search affiliate marketing requires both work and education, but with dedication, you can build a system for long-term success. For a free step-by-step guide, visit our project page at https://www.behance.net/search/projects/affiliate-marketing. Remember, success takes time, so be consistent and keep learning. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. If you want more beginner tips, check out the linked video in the description. See you next time.